So many friends after buying a Volkswagen Host found some problems with the contact. But the wiring thing, always confusing everyone. I don't know what the definition of wiring is. How should we check? Today, let me talk to you about how we solve the definition and wiring details of the host and what steps we need to take. First of all, at the back of the host, we look at this position. Usually it will be posted above its wiring diagram. What does the content in the diagram show? It defines our wire connector angle. We can troubleshoot based on this definition. Where did our contact face an issue? Let's consider this host as a specific example. Let us take a look at what definitions are on it. So first, let's analyze graph structure. On this side, there are 12.3 in, a tube corner with 8 metals. Where is the position of this pipe angle? Just these 8. All, see? 12, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a metal pipe corner. What's the definition of these 8 angles? What is it? This is our horn. It is defined as the horn on the right rear side is considered to be normal. Our speaker. The horn on the right front side is normal. Right front speaker negative.
L rear speaker, R speaker.
L rear speaker neg horn on L front side normal. L front speaker neg horn on L rear side positive. Negative of the left rear speaker. These 4 horns are actually the ones. It happens through all 4 of us. These 8 pipe corners connect. Any of your horns problem. We can investigate from here. Any wiring problem? What about these 2 lines? Let's check. These are 2 empty corners. These 2 are undefined. This side. Let's look at this side. There are 2 on this side. 2 of these connections. Metal wiring 1 is D, 1 is V-bat. Everyone look at this. It's at the corner of these 2 metal pipes, right? Which one is the D line? One is this V-bat, hanging electric protection for us. Let's review the number of pipe angle definitions on this side. This is crucial. We frequently encounter this after connecting the car. E.g., wheel can't be multi-dir. Certain car AC signals undetectable. Related to connection on this side, defines viewing certificate for PQ model. Negative view of the PQ model. There is also a viewing certificate for MQB models, and the MQB model's negative look. On this side at this position, turn it over, look at the corresponding angle of the pipe, in D. Let's check 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this 4-tube corner. Here are PAS and neg. This side, MQB plus, check if your car is PQ or MQB, position varies. In short, when there's an issue with this connection, when the pipe angle definition is wrong, after this block is connected, it's invalid. Let's check doc page. Can't function well. This is crucial. Besides this, other connections under normal circumstances, there won't be too many problems. Basic definition. Find everything here. Also based on 78 used car definition diagram of pipe fittings. Go to corresponding, take a look. Various car models. What is wiring like here? Can be solved. Challenges we must face. Have you learned? Feel free to leave a message in comments if you have any questions.